properties that might fit you well? Then, let Cebu Elegant Properties do the job for you. Good day everyone! Welcome back to Cebu Elegant Properties YouTube channel. I'm Christine, your Cebuana licensed real estate broker and your property tour buddy for today. Today we are here in a secured subdivision with a 24-hour security here in the southern part of Cebu City. This property has a lot area of 170 square meters and a floor area of 140 square meters. This is not a brand new house, but this is a well-maintained house with 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bathrooms. And as you can see, I'm now in the garage area and this can fit 2 cars. So without much further ado, let's go inside and dig into this property. First of all, I'm going to show you this service area. This is the service area and it has a common toilet and bathroom. And after the bathroom is the maid's quarter. Let's not just go inside because the maid is using it at the moment. And this one is for the sampayan. You can hang your clothes here, and there's also tables and chairs if you want to chill around this area. So now let's go to the property. Welcome to your new home. So this is the 140 square meter floor area house and lot. So as you can see, we have here a long table for our dining area. And then this is the main kitchen. This might be a semi-furnished house because some of the stuff that you can see might not be included in the sale. So moving forward here, this is the living area. This is not your typical big house, but this is really spacious in actual, and it is good for a 3 to 4 family members. So in the ground floor, here is the master bedroom. We have the master bedroom in the ground floor. As you can see, the master bedroom can accommodate a queen size bed. At the moment, they are using a double size bed. And then we have here our closet, built-in closet. And on this side, which the videographer will show you, is a toilet and bathroom. So by the way guys, this house is a loft-type bungalow house. So now let's go to the second floor. You may notice in this video that it is a high ceiling bungalow house. It's intended for the second floor because this house is like a bungalow with a loft type. So the 2 more rooms is located on the second floor. So now I'm in the landing area, and from here we can see the guests who will be coming in our house if you're from here. So this space here is intended for a study area or an entertainment area for your kids, where you're just gonna put some carpet here and play around with them and other stuff. So from here you can see who are the people on the ground floor. Actually, this is not a hard to maintain type of house. So from here, we can see the common toilet and bathroom for bedrooms 1 and 2. The common toilet and bathroom already has a hot and cold shower. And here, we have bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 1 is beautifully decorated with wide windows which allow the natural light and air to come inside. And bedroom number 1 already has air conditioner and also a built-in closet. Now let's head to bedroom number 2. This is bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 has also wide windows and also an air conditioner, and as you can see, this can fit a 2 double-sized beds. And we also have this built-in closet. And now let's wrap up everything about this property. So this house has a lot area of 170 square meters, a floor area of 140 square meters. This is not your typical bungalow house because it is a loft type. On the second floor, we have 2 bedrooms with a shared common toilet and bathroom. Each bedroom can fit a 2 double-sized beds, as you can see in the video. And here, in the ground floor, we have the master bedroom with its own toilet and bathroom. And we have here the living area, the dining, and the kitchen. And outside is the 2-car park and also the maid's quarter with its own toilet and bathroom. Should you wish to book a site tour with us, you may email us at cebuelegantproperties@gmail.com, or you may call us at 0917-7999-429. Thank you, and I'm Christine Pantalion, your licensed real estate broker. God bless.